What's up, everyone? It's Hobo from Samurai Development. Hope you all are doing amazing and are having an amazing day. And I want to wish you a happy Halloween coming up here. This is going to be my first ever holiday themed script. So I do hope you guys enjoy. If you have any suggestions for the next holiday coming up, which would be Christmas for script wise, please make sure to go into my Discord and put a suggestion in for it. I'd love to hear your ideas. Without further ado, I'm going to go ahead and get into basically the overview of this script and what it's for and what it does and how you can incorporate it into your servers. Alright guys, so this is going to be my Smashing Pumpkins script. Thank you from the idea originally from Chip W, and then also from I believe his name is Skidmark, can't remember, but thank you for giving me the suggestion for the Halloween script. So with this script, what you're basically going to be able to do is you're going to have your players or your criminals be able to go around to different houses all over the map and find these pumpkins. And then when they have the pumpkins, they depending on what items you configure to be required, right now it's just a hammer, they can use that hammer to then smash. After doing or completing a mini game, they can smash these pumpkins, and then that adds to their overall count. And then for being a server owner, you can set up some sort of an event for Halloween saying whoever smashes the most pumpkins, obviously by the end of Halloween, might be able to get something in your server. It's really up to your discrepancy, or if you just want to have a good friendly competition, there's that too. This script also includes a leaderboard with it, so we'll go over that here in a second, and a profile setup, and then also allows for your cops to, via command, they can reset someone's pumpkin count whenever they do get caught smashing pumpkins. So it allows for a really good competition to basically try and not get caught by the police while running away and smashing all the pumpkins they can get. Pretty much that is going to be the overview on this. Also we have, I'll get into it in the next section here. I'll go in the next section here. Alrighty guys, let's go ahead and get started with this segment. This is going to be the main segment of smashing the pumpkins. Note this script does come pre-configured with 100 to 100 plus locations for pumpkins. It's very easy to add more. You just go around, get the coordinates, drop them in the script, and it does the rest for you. You could use with text UI and also third eye. I currently only have third eye for this demonstration here to show you what it is. After I'm done with this, we'll go ahead and jump into our next section, which is going to be showing you what the police see whenever they're doing that. So we're going to go ahead and we have a hammer here, and then we have the pumpkins here. So what we're going to do is we're going to third eye the pumpkin here. We're going to go ahead and smash the pumpkin. Then we're going to go ahead and do this mini game here on key pressing. And then you start doing the animation of smashing the pumpkin. You can configure however long you would like this to be for. I currently have it to 10 seconds. And then whenever it is smashed, you've now smashed the pumpkin, and you could go ahead and do the next one, and as many as you would like. Obviously, players wouldn't be just doing these. They would be able to do a couple of these, and they'd probably have to run away because of the amount of notifications police would get, and police would already be here catching them in the act. But basically, that is the gist of just smashing the pumpkins here. So I am going to go ahead and jump forth here until to the menu to show you guys what the menu actually looks like here. So to open the pumpkin smashing menu, you're going to do /pumpkin smash. By default, you can change this in the settings, or in the config. Whenever you do open this, you'll see that there is a profile option and a leaderboard option. If they are new players, they should go to their profile first. It will say change me instead of what I have here as my name. It'll say change me. They will need to change their name before they're allowed to smash pumpkins. They will not let them smash pumpkins if they do not have a display name set up, because if they don't have a display name, then it'd just be a bunch of change me on the leaderboard for their names. So right here, as you can see, I have my display name here as Hobo. We can change that here, so we can change it to something like Hobo2. And now that I've done that, I can open the menu back up again. And look, my new display name is Hobo2 here. I have it shown that I have been caught once. This is because I was testing my command for making sure that PD can reset it. But easily, your PD, like I said, can reset someone's times, and it'll show them how many times they've gotten caught. And then obviously shows your pumpkin smashed currently for your profile. Now, once we go back here, we can go to the leaderboard section. This is probably going to be everyone's favorite section here, but it currently will show your standing position on it. So once you have more players, these are just filler slots that I should put in the database so that you guys can see what an actual leaderboard would look like. You can configure how many how many people you want put in the leaderboard. Currently, I've set it 15. Obviously, you don't have 15 people in here to show. But I do have 4 filler slots, and then it'll show yourself. So it shows my display name, Pumpkin Smash is 8, and then my position is 2. And then you could tell that it is you based on the green indicator for the user. And then obviously at the top here, like I said, it would also tell you that my position is number 2. That is going to be pretty much the whole overview of the menu here. And then if you are a police officer, you can do, I believe it is reset pumpkins here. And then whenever you are nearby a player, it won't let me do it because I don't have the job for it, but whenever you are near a player, it'll reset the pumpkins for that player, and then they'll have to start basically back at 0, and then they'll show back up on the leaderboard as 0, and then they'll have to completely restart over again. Yeah, that is pretty much the end of this segment. I'm going to go ahead and jump into the next segment, which is what it's going to look like for your PD whenever they are getting notifications of someone smashing pumpkins. Alrighty guys, we're here on the next segment on what it would look like for your police officers seeing someone get smashing pumpkins. This script comes pre-configured to allow for code design dispatch, and then also allows for Project Sloth's dispatch. You do need to be on the newest version of Project Sloth though for this to work. So just please note that it's not going to work with the older versions of Project Sloth. But right now I do have configured my built-in dispatch system in the settings here, so you don't need a dispatch system for this. So let me go ahead and show you guys what this would look like here. So I'm going to have to smash this pumpkin here just so I could show you what it would look like. But as you can see there on the right, it tells me that someone is smashing a pumpkin. And then if I were to open my map, you can see here that there's a pumpkin smash here, and then by default these blips are set up to last for 45 seconds. So if I go ahead and smash a couple of these here, you'd see that there is multiple pumpkin smashed alerts, and then after about 45 seconds, the blip will delete, just like a normal dispatch script would. All right, I'm going to go ahead and move on to the outro here and give you guys just some extra information if you'd like. Alrighty, guys. I do hope that you did enjoy this little script demo of the pumpkin smashing script. I know it's a very simple script, but it is a holiday script and it's free, so, you know, can't really have any complaints there, and it works. This is 100% synchronized between players. Like I did say earlier, there's 100 to 100 plus locations preset in the config, so if you don't want to go around and set up a bunch of coordinates, it works straight out of the box, no issues, as long as you configure your important section on what you would like in there. Everything is configurable, from the police alerts to the how likely it is for police to get alerts for smashing pumpkins, to alerting police on failure of the minigame, to turning off the minigame, to anything you can think of is most likely going to be configurable in this script. So, you know, you guys, I hope you guys do enjoy this, add this to your server, have fun with it, and get your players active and get your PD able to do something fun for the holiday season here in Halloween. I do hope you guys do enjoy this, and don't forget, currently until the end of October, I do have a 20% sale going on at my store with the code PUMPKIN, so get over there and get you guys something nice for a discounted price. Anyways, I do hope you guys enjoy, and hope you guys have a good rest of your day.